Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to make real money online using your voice, or even an AI version of your voice, with ElevenLabs. Whether you're a natural speaker, a shy introvert, or someone who just wants to turn text into voice for money, I got you covered. This is perfect for content creators, audiobook narrators, freelancers, and even people who don't want to talk at all. I'll walk you through exactly how to get started, what to sell, and where to sell it. So stick around. Step 1. Understand what ElevenLabs is. ElevenLabs is a powerful AI voice tool that lets you turn text into realistic, high-quality speech. But here's the kicker. You can either use one of their built-in voices, or you can train the AI to sound exactly like your own voice. This means you can create a talking version of you, or a completely fictional voice brand, and use it to make money online. Step 2. Pick your money-making method. There are 5 proven ways to make money with your voice using ElevenLabs. Freelancing voice work. Create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, podcasts, and more. You don't have to speak. Let ElevenLabs generate the voice for you. Sell audiobooks, turn public domain books or your own ebooks into audiobooks, and sell them on Audible, Gumroad, or Payhip. Create talking AI avatars for clients. Use ElevenLabs plus tools like DID or HeyGen to make AI avatars that speak, and sell this as a service on Fiverr or Etsy. Voice packs for video games and apps. Offer AI-generated voice packs to developers for characters, apps, or games. This niche is hot. Content monetization. Make reels and YouTube shorts using AI voiceovers to explain finance, news, gossip, anything viral, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Pick 1 or 2 that match your interest and skill level, then go all in. Step 3. Set up your ElevenLabs account. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create an account. Use the free plan to test things out. It gives you enough minutes to practice. If you're serious, upgrade to the starter plan. You'll get more generation time and voice cloning access. Now you have 2 options. Use built-in voices. These are ready to go. Great for beginner projects. Clone your own voice. Upload a clear voice sample, 30 to 60 seconds. Follow ElevenLabs script guidelines. Their AI will train on your voice in minutes. Once your voice is cloned, you can type any script, and it'll sound like you read it. Powerful stuff. Step 4. Create a portfolio. You'll need voice samples to show potential clients or customers. Do this. Pick 3 to 4 short scripts, like a commercial, audiobook excerpt, and a fun animation voice. Generate them using ElevenLabs. Save them as audio files. Put them on a Fiverr profile, personal website, or Linktree. This builds trust. People buy from what they can hear. Step 5. Start selling. Now it's time to turn that voice into money. If you're freelancing, go to Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Create gigs like I will narrate your audiobook in a natural American voice, or I will create AI voiceovers for your videos. If you're selling products, use Payhip or Gumroad to sell pre-made voiceover packs or audiobooks. List them on Etsy as AI talking videos or audiobook packages. Use Reels to drive traffic. If you're creating content, post daily shorts or reels with trending topics voiced by AI. Use ElevenLabs to add voice narration, then monetize with affiliate links, brand partnerships, or promote your own products. Step 6. Scale it up. Once you've made your first few dollars, it's time to scale. Clone multiple voices, male, female, accents. Offer variety. Offer bulk packages, 10 scripts, 5 ads, etc. Outsource script writing and just focus on audio. Create a YouTube channel or Instagram page that uses voiceover-only videos. And don't forget, you can license your cloned voice for others to use. That's passive income. So there you have it. How to make money using your voice with ElevenLabs, even if you never speak a word into a mic. Let me know in the comments which method you're gonna try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next money-making video. I'll see you in the next one.